everyone, this is chapter 2, A Light for the Palace Fire. A Light for the Palace Fire is a very interesting story about a palace, about the need of fire and love. Yes. Imagine that you have something that other people do not have but need it desperately. Then, would you be able to share what you had with them? What kind of things would you be happy to share? करते भी हो कभी sharing? Would it be easy to share something that you also needed very badly? बोलो करोगे sharing? चलो पढ़ते हैं ठीक है? Now see what happened. A long time ago, there was a huge palace at the top of a hill. Palace होता है महल, राज महल बना हुआ था. A fire always burned in the palace and kept it warm. So one day, the fire suddenly stopped burning. अब आग बुझ गई. Now people said that you always quarrel. That's why this fire had died. कि इस महल में हमेशा झगड़ा होता रहता है, इसीलिए आग बुझ गई. Everyone in the palace was freezing and they want the fire to burn. You know, वहाँ बहुत ठंड पड़ती थी. So the king ordered his messenger that go down the hill. Maybe you find some house and there you can find fire. Please bring the light so that light क्या होता है भाई थोड़ी सी आग ऊपर ले आना लकड़ी पे जला के या किसी पेपर पे जला के so that हम ऊपर भी आग लगा सकें. होता है ना जैसे हम कैंडल लेके जाएं और दूसरी कैंडल को लगा दें, होता है ना ऐसा. So similarly he was asking for the little fire कि नीचे जो हमारे घर बने हुए हैं जो लोग रहते हैं, bring some fire on a stick or coal. ठीक है, किसी भी गर्म कोयले को गर्म ले आओ ऊपर और हम आग लगा लेंगे. So the messenger with a big iron lantern, lantern होता है लालटेन, ऐसे उठा के वो नीचे चला गया. For holding coal, set off in the bitter cold, वो कड़कड़ाती ठंड में नीचे चला गया. A light for the palace fire. He called as he went. अब वो एक उसने दरवाज़ा देखा and he knocked in and said कि please give us some light. Said the man, but tell the king that I want gold pieces in return. मैं दे तो दूंगा, but I want gold pieces. So the messenger put the coal inside his lantern and turned to go back to the palace. The coal soon turned cold and grey. अब वो जो कोयला था जो वो जला के लेके गया, तुम देखो बेटा, see this here. This is called lantern. Lantern. और वो देख रहे हो इस लेडी के पीछे, ये देखो यहाँ पे, ये इसके घर में यहाँ पे फायर है ना. तो यहाँ से इसने ये गरम कोयला उठा के she has given to this man, जो राजा ने भेजा था. Got it? The lady has given this warm coal, मतलब hot coal, to this man कि ये ले जाओ आप, but I want gold pieces. Okay, fine. अब उसने वापस ही मांगा कि मुझे तो मैं तो तुम्हें दे दूँगा कोल, बट तुम्हें मुझे गोल्ड पीसेस देने होंगे. So the messenger put the coal inside his lantern and turned to go back. लेकिन वो कोल जो था वो ऊपर चढ़ते चढ़ते ठंडा पड़ गया. Then a woman called Gina. He had to search for burning coal once again. अब उसने दोबारा दूसरा दरवाज़ा खटखटाया. Now this is the woman whom we are talking to, and this is her name is Gina. What's her name is? Gina. Yes, Gina. ठीक है. So she agreed to give him some coal from her fireplace. तो उसने कहा she wanted the king to make her father the captain of the guards, कि मेरे father को captain of the guard बना दो. Everybody was asking, you know, कि मैं ये करूँगी तो तुम ये कर देना, है ना. The other man who was asking for some gold, हर कोई मतलब से कर रहा है काम. However, in return, she wanted the king to make her father the captain of the guard. The messenger took some burning coal from the fireplace, put in his lantern. Again he set off for the palace. अब फिर से वो चल पड़ा. Soon he saw that coal from Gina's fireplace was no longer burning. अब फिर से वो बुझ गया. अब वापस वो उतरा हिल से नीचे. And there he went to the another girl's house. There was a little girl inside stirring porridge over a small fire. वो दलिया बना रही थी. Okay, a light for the palace fire, she repeated when the messenger told her what he wanted. जब मैसेंजर ने उसे बोला कि I want the fire, उसने कहा पैलेस फायर. अरे Why not? You may have as much coal as you like. ले जाओ, कोई बात नहीं. Do sit down though. Warm yourself. अब देखो वो बेचारे कितनी दूर से they were asking for the fire only. But none of them, even this man, this women, none of them asked for the food or whatever, warm water even. है ना. In fact they were asking for the something to return, something return. कि भाई हमें तो ये दे देना and give me that, give me gold, या मेरे फादर को गार्ड बना दो. Alright, head of the guards. So everybody is asking something in return, but this girl was different. What she has done, she offered a bowl of porridge and a place to sit and relax to the guard. She said, then please have porridge and then you may have half of our fire if the king needs it. कि आप हमारे यहाँ से ये गरम कोयला ले जाओ, कोई बात नहीं. The messenger did as the little girl said. Then he lifted a small bright coal from the fire and put it in his lantern. It will never burn all the way back to the palace. मैसेंजर ने सोचा कि यार ये तो फिर से बुझ जाएगा जैसे अभी तक के सारे कोल बुझ गए. But you know, he was surprised that with each step he took, the coal grew brighter. क्योंकि उसके पीछे उस बच्चे की सोच अच्छी थी, है ना. When she gave that coal, तो उसकी सोच बहुत अच्छी थी. She was, you know, in a very bright mood and she gave the things happily. तो अच्छे मन से दी हुई चीज़ अच्छी ही रहती है ना. And she didn't ask anything in return. उसने ये नहीं कहा कि give me gold or make my father this and that. कुछ नहीं कहा उसने. She just helped. तो help करने से पहले सोचना नहीं है. Okay. When he reached the palace, the coal still burned and glowed. और वो तो और ज़्यादा जग रहा था, और ज़्यादा जगमगा रहा था. Glowed होता है shone softly, you know. As soon as he touched it, the grey logs in the fireplace, log होते हैं लकड़ी के टुकड़े, मोटे मोटे. In the fireplace, they burst into flames. और जैसे ही उन्होंने वो गर्म कोयला रखा, तो obviously वो सूखी लकड़ी थी, तो उसने आग पकड़ लिया, है ना. The fire once again warmed the palace folk. Palace folk is the word which represent the people, those who lived in the palace. There were so many people living in the palace, those who were freezing with cold. They realized that this was because selfless love had come with the coal from the little girl's cottage. So dekho, whatever I told you, that if you help someone without asking anything in return and without thinking too much, with the pure heart, then obviously the results would be good and you would rather feel happy inside. Yeah, and your inner self will be, you know, thankful to you that you have showed such kindness. Such kindness. So whenever you find anybody in need, do help, kiddos, do help.